thought I was finally rid of you, trying to break free from the ridicule. When I said I was done, that was literal, but everything to you seems trivial. You a demon that's holding me captive, break me down every time I get active. I'm grappling up my bracket, you said, look at me now, I'm the captain. Man.
What's up, RedTop gang? RTG coming at you high like a RPG. Hey, y'all already know what it is, man. Who watching you? Who watching you? Who at Chenyu? Y'all know how we do over here. Guess this is new. This is new. Came on 11/27. 11/27. What's it called? Airplane mode. Airplane. He's taking flight, but airplane mode is also a mode you have on your phone when you don't want to be disturbed. Let's see what we got here. Who the fuck is that? Is that who at Chenyu? I can't. Bro, what is going on here? He done completely transformed the whole look. Is his eyebrows pierced? Are those long earrings too? I ain't the smartest man in the world, but what's going on? Is this just for the show, or is there something that I missed along the way? Is it supposed to be a vision of an image of a girl, or what? Y'all let me know. Let me know. Let's try to get through it. Long hair, don't care. Say, put it in the universe, though. Yo, I'm thrown off right now. But we gonna drop the tone. He said, don't focus on don't focus on me. Focus on this voice. Drop it. So you just gonna talk to me like, don't be picky about life. Don't be picky. You talking about my hair, my earrings, and my clothing. Don't be picky. Okay. All right, I hear you. I'm watching you. Fool me. The hell? Hey, yo, hey, survival you need improvisation to survive. Survival is based on improvisation. You are conforming to the ways of your life base. That's fire. That was fire. On the fly, basically. You gotta change on the fly. Like a bomb, like a bomb. Oh, okay. Okay. So we showing off. I like that red mic, by the way. Leave me alone, it sounds like. But what is going? Okay, we trying to attract the feminists here. He's flossing though. He's flossing. Oh. Ring like a bomb, like a bomb. Hey, this content work, man. How many? Like, yo, life is fucked up, man. We do a lot of conformance. Sometimes you need to just get away from it. Endless weekly, he's talking about work. Lonely at bars, binge watching dramas. Ring like a bomb, like a bomb. 老板好想走了。They just gonna chill out like that, okay. He's giving a Michael Jackson vibe. Well, that's I could not think like this is giving me Michael Jackson type shit right now. The whole little setup, fit, outfit, demeanor, mannerisms, everything is Michael Jackson. Oh, it's over. Let me bring that last part back again. I don't know exactly what it's about, but it sounds like he's trying to just detach from everything. He wanted to detach from the world, let fuck work too. We tired of working. We tired of work. Tired of having to meet all these quotas. We want to detach from everything. He's just trying to get out. He's just trying to leave. He say fly away, go far, far away. But man, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. RedTop Gang, we out. Peace.